Hello there, this is Jennifer with Locksmith Keyless, and today we are going to show you how to program a smart key for a 2013 Audi Q3 using the LONSDOR K518 programming device. Let's roll the video.
What we need to prepare for is K518 PRO, an OBD communication cable, and an original car key, and a new key. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Audi Q3. Select before 2013. Program key. Backup IMO data. OK. Please turn on the ignition switch with the original car key. OK. Please make sure the dashboard black screen. OK. Enter the name of the file to be saved. OK. OK. Data backup successfully. Select making dealer key. OK. Select the IMO data. OK. OK. Making dealer key. Find Audi. OK. Put the key to be programmed into the card slot. Click OK. Generate successfully. Select Learn key. OK. Select backed up IMO data. OK. OK. Follow the prompts. Click OK when done. OK. Please enter the number of keys to program to. OK. OK. It's not a smart key. Click Cancel. Follow the prompts. Click OK when done. Add key complete. OK. Key program successful. Now, let's see if the keys work. Hit the brakes and turn on the ignition switch. The original car key was successfully started. Try again to see if the new key works. Hit the brakes and turn on the ignition switch. The new key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
Well, that was easier than we thought. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to visit us at locksmithkeyless.com. See you next time.